Kali ini tolong ada gambar gadis sikit view.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hi, so it's 12 in the afternoon. I have a meeting at 2 at Subang Permai. I guess Subang Permai. And it's pouring at the outside. It's raining, hujan. But anyway, it's time to go. Finally arrived at Subang. Well, this is my first time to be at this part of Subang. And doesn't look that fresh or that clean. Jadi this guy. Just finished meeting with
What up?
Aaron, Gede, and one. Apa ni?
Halo.
Oh, what ni? Artis ni, lepas ni. Alright, thank you. Nanti apa je?
Datang lagi install lagi tu.
Ya, sure. Hello. So we just finished up the meeting with the clients. It's all good, but in this line of business, we wouldn't know what's gonna happen. But anyway, right now it's time for a break before I continue to work, and we're having Nasi, Beriyani, ayam. Kamu tahu apa? Jom kenal Beriyani Sempoi Bahang dengan ayam asam. And I'm gonna eat in peace before I continue working. Right now it's about 6:11 to be exact, and I'm at Tamari Square, Sabajaya to do some work, and the day's still not over. Finally I got home. It's now 7:15 and it's time for Maghrib. Well, it has been raining non-stop today, but a day still needs its productivity. After you wake up at this type of weather, inside your blankie, oh. And then you look at the time and you realize it's time to work. And oh, I know everyone can relate, it is the most difficult thing to do. And you know, this type of things is why people always take MC. Or maybe it's some kind of a Malay culture, I don't know. But isn't that what they always say? Melayu malas. But always remember this, don't let anything such as weather, friends, or party to stop you from being productive. Because at this moment in your life, you're required to hustle. Hustling in a bustling city, isn't that what they all say? But that is it for me. I'm gonna rest and probably continue some work later on. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is another day and this is another video. Don't forget to have fun.